that shit costs more than 30,000. I can move out, damn I'm smooth, I feel like Michael Jackson. And when I go out, I got some eyes on me, damn I'm attractive. And man, I'm going up, I got plenty people trying to tap into. When you believe on me, I don't give a fuck, I'ma make it happen.